Hey there, sunshine. So I finally have my last Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box here in my hands. This one, it took a little while to get here, but I am so excited. I feel so grateful that I got these boxes. I know there were so many people who missed out. I can't remember if this box is the premium or the deluxe box. I think that this is the premium box. This is a $45 box. I don't know. I'm so excited. My sister opened it up over the weekend because I wasn't home and she was really curious to see what's inside of it, but I have no idea what's in here, but it already has been open. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. We just got the green tissue paper. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now, I have seen a lot of the boxes. There was a lot of complaints from people that I was reading on Twitter and stuff that the premium boxes were a lot, like, everybody kind of got the same shades. I know that the box that I previously had opened was very similar to a lot of the other boxes that I've seen. So before I even like get into unboxing this, I just want to give a forewarning, I guess, that is a complaint that some people complained about when they received their premium boxes. So, okay, let's get into it. I got another orange Jeffree Star Cosmetics pop socket. And then I also received 3 lipsticks. I have 2 velour liquid lipsticks and a lip ammunition. Okay, so we all know that one of the shades inside of the premium mystery box is going to be the mystery shade, which, in case you have not seen it yet, is this gorgeous peach shade. It's actually what I'm wearing here on my lips today. I really was expecting this to be more of like an Instagram shade since it was like mystery, but I think it's such a gorgeous color on so many different skin tones. Okay, so now actually comes out, my hair is just a mess today, but now we actually get down to like the mystery part of the box. Okay, so let's see what I got. The velour liquid lipstick I received is in shade Can't Relate. Oh my gosh, it was actually a shade that I wanted to buy. I'm so excited by this. I'm so excited. I seriously love it. The Christmas collection that he had for 2018. And this was one of the shades, and it was, I think it was sold out, or I just couldn't get through the website and I just kind of gave up. But it is such a pretty shade. Oh my gosh. Yes, I can't wait. This is like screaming fall vibes to me. And then the lip ammunition that I received is in shade Jeffree's Girl, which I actually have a couple of because I received them in my Valentine's Day mystery box. Now this lipstick does have, okay, so I totally just dropped this lipstick. So honestly, the little, this is damaged, that's all on me, but it does have some sweating on it, which is to be expected. It's summer, it's hot. This lipstick has been through many, many miles of traveling. I know that's normal with all lipsticks. I have heard some complaints with Jeffree Star lipsticks, but I have received other lipsticks from other companies that have had the same problem. And the last thing that I received is a liquid frost, liquid highlighter in Ice Queen. Oh my gosh. I'm just so happy with my premium boxes. I know that a lot of people were not super thrilled with theirs, but everything that I received in the premium boxes were products that I wanted to buy. My deluxe box was amazing. Oh my gosh, I have been, the other shade that I got in my other premium or whatever box, the $45 box, I've been just putting all over my chest and arms, and I go outside and I'm like, people are like, oh my gosh, your skin is so pretty, like what did you do? And I'm like, liquid frost, guys. It is so pretty. It literally just gives me this amazing glow. It is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And honestly, I've been putting this on my lids when I do my makeup too. So, but just look at my hand. Like that is just so pretty. It's not as pink and purpley as the frozen peach shade is. This is just way more like purple looking to me. But I'm so happy with this box. This is literally like, these were products that I wanted to buy anyway, and I can't believe, like, I don't know, I just feel like this was so well-rounded for like me personally, and I'm so happy with it. So that is everything that I got in my last Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. What did you guys think of this box? Was this anything like a box that you received before, or was it something different? I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.